OG Nation.
Hey, man. It's up to nature, bro.
Ain't nothing like
My boy on down there, launching the boat off. Another day, another dollar. Make some fish holler, y'all. It's a cold one out today, y'all. I'm suited up, thick. I can barely even move, I'm so stiff. This old truck parked, and I see y'all boys in the boat. I guess we just disturbed them, they were gonna fly off. Yes sir, we're out here on this cold day, about to go get the cat. Water is 47 degrees.
57, last weekend it was 60.
Man, it is cold, especially with that breeze. I'll be over here tearing up. About to get on them though, I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second. Getting all these poles ready to go, y'all. Gotta throw these weights on there, add some bait, and we'll be ready to go. Big hooks right there for big fish.
Yeah, I might get a shot to go a little bit tomorrow. We'll see. I know. Yeah, you want to go.
You purposely wrap your lines up like this?
No, RC does this shit that pisses me off.
Alright.
I like just going to this fucking deal.
Yeah.
The weight's not on there, so it's not going to beat your rod to death.
God dang, RC, what you got going on over here?
Shit.
Yeah, look at that bait right there. That shad is frozen. It's so cold out here. Got ice on him. We're gonna throw him on one of them ambassadors. Hook him right there through the nose. Just like that. I'll send him off a little ways. It's a heavy bait to be chunking. Let it slide on down to the bottom. She hit bottom. Set her on up over here. Once you put your rod in, and make sure that line is nice and tight. Get that thing out there. That's a good cast right there. What kind of reel is that?
Man, these are these new ones my wife got me the other day off for Christmas.
Warrior.
This isn't bad. This one is only a 4,000.
Hold on, we gotta tighten this reel up. We got something big over here, y'all. It's a nice little cat. First one of the day. Not a bad fish right there. I'll end back off in the water.
Keep tight. Stay tight.
The boy almost snatched the pole out.
How big is he?
It feels pretty nice. See him, Pete. I bet I'll walk him over here. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir.
There's fish grips up there somewhere. Well, oh, we
Barely got him, man. You got some pliers?
Yeah, there's some up there. Look on.
That's a nice one.
Good starter fish.
Right.
Second fish.
Oh, buddy broke his fin right there. I'll check that out. Wow. It's a nice one right there. Look at the back on that guy. That's thick. Good one to start the day. Where's your skill at?
It's up.
What y'all think she is? Take a guess.
So maybe 20.
Say like 25, 26.
It's in kilograms, but we'll check it. Should be a little.
It's on the back side right there. Kilograms? How many?
Don't get me live.
I don't know kilograms. What are kilograms?
Alright, you gonna release him?
Yep.
Don't lose the grips.
Whoa. Bye-bye, buddy. Sounded like I just dropped a boulder in the water. That was a good fish, y'all. What y'all think about that? On to the next one. Let's get it. So what?
Doesn't really tell people.
I'm sure he's all in that other fucking line.
Yeah. Get in there. You gotta be a monster. I haven't even seen him yet, y'all. Come on. Come on, baby.
Stay hooked.
Oh yeah, got him. That is it. So your net's from the break, man. That's what you call a blue right there, y'all.
That is a big one.
Good stuff right there, dude. Y'all check this fish out. Hook still in his mouth?
Yeah. Barely hooked.
Check this out, y'all. Nice and thick. Fish grip.
What do you think going here?
Probably like in the 40 range.
42.
What y'all think this one weighs?
I'll say 42.
Hurry up and take them. Whew.
Oh no.
Oh man, the scale died. Come on, get him on there. That's KG?
Yep.
16, come on, what is it? 1680. You want a picture? Smile, man. Act like you're happy.
Get it? I thought he was gonna be bigger.
He bent that pole. He had to be. God dang.
Trying to pull him around you a little bit.
Like what, like this? That's a big fish. Good stuff.
Do you want to feel what it feels like to get him by hand? You go, it might be pretty good.
See, once you got him by that lip, you're good.
Yeah.
Let's let this big old cat back in the water. Oh, that boy got me. Sandpaper teeth right there. On to the next one, y'all. Yeah. It's on. It's feeling like. Oh yeah. Looks like he's about to hit the damn anchor rope. Oh yeah.
Okay, you gotta get the fish grips on.
The fish grips. That's a solid fish right there. He's all caught up in the anchor rope. Oh, got it. Open your mouth. Ugh. He's caught up pretty good. We got him hooked, we just gotta get the hook out. Ugh. You got any pliers?
Yeah, somewhere in here.
So your buddy kick up a way to break your wrist. God dang. Good. Yes, sir. We got another one in, y'all. Check out this monster.
Not a bad one.
That's a thick fish right there, man. What you think that one weighs? Pushing 30?
Let's say 30. 30.
That boy's every bit of 30 pounds. Let's get a weight on this guy. 1356. That's kg right there. We gotta convert that. That's a big one. Gonna get the release.
Yeah.
Gotta get this fish back in the water. Another cat in the boat, on to the next one. Now we're out here catching some lake monsters. The last few fish we caught, they've been some whoppers. Scale set on kg right now, so we got to go do all that and switch it over. But I believe that one was, what was that catfish right there?
I think he was every bit of 40.
40 pounds, he had to be. And the other two were like 20, 22 pounds. And then we got one small little catfish. She's probably like 5. We're letting them all go today, maybe. We're just out here catching. It's a good day out here, nice and cold, but the blues are surely running. Yeah, we're out here waiting. Storms rolled in. We've been waiting in this new spot for a minute. We were down there, but we moved on. We've been sitting here battling with the wind, trying to get the boat to anchor straight. That back anchor keeps swinging. But we're just waiting out here. How long has it been since we caught a cat? Probably about an hour.
Way too long.
Alright. Hopefully they pick back up though.
For sure.
Normally them big old blues, they like to bite when the fronts roll in and it gets real cold, and that's what it's feeling like. Well, y'all, that's about all the fishing that we're going to be doing today. We're about to call it a day. How many fish you catch? I think it's like 4 or 5. 4 decent good fish. 20 and up.
OG Nation. Hey, man.